Dramatic declassified video shows the moment that a U.S. drone was struck by a Russian warplane. The video is from the drone's underside. It shows two different passes, dangerous passes, taken by Russian fighter jets to spray the Reaper drone, spraying that drone with fuel. Usually a fighter jet does not dump its fuel, so obviously there was a reason for that. This was, again, what caused ultimately, look at that, a collision with the prop on the back of the drone. Much more in this still developing story. They'll have lots of it, of course, lots of info on Good Morning America.
This morning, investigators are looking into whether a mysterious Manhattan penthouse fire and the arrest of an exiled Chinese billionaire are somehow related. Federal prosecutors say business tycoon Guo Wengui lied to hundreds of thousands of online followers in a complex billion-dollar fraud conspiracy. He says he's not guilty. Guo has also been sought by the Chinese government for nearly a decade and is said to have teamed up with former Trump political strategist Steve Bannon in an effort to overthrow the Chinese government. Hours after his arrest, there was a fire on the same floor as Guo's apartment at the Sherry Netherland Hotel on the Upper East Side. FBI agents were searching that home when it broke out. At this point, it is not clear if the fire is connected or just a coincidence. New this morning.